In the kitchen, lights so low, fish on a tray, carrots in a row, cooking up our dreams, you know, in gentle warmth where flavors flow. Watch the timer ticking slow. In the heat our love will grow. Taste of life from head to toe in the oven's gentle glow. Salmon sizzles oh so fine, with veggies dancing in line. Your eyes, they sparkle like the brine. In this feast our hearts entwine. Herbs and spices scent the air, garlic whispers love affair. In this meal we softly share, embrace the moment's tender care. Peppers red and onions sweet, harmony on a baking sheet. In this dish our spirits meet, together we find our special beat. Serving plates with laughter bright, setting table with delight. In each bite our joy takes flight, in this homemade candlelight. Herbs and spices scent the air, veggies dancing in a line. Your eyes, they sparkle like the brine. In this feast our hearts entwine. Herbs and spices oh so fine, with veggies dancing in a line. Your eyes, they sparkle like the brine. In this feast our hearts entwine. In this feast our hearts entwine. Herbs and spices scent the air, garlic whispers love affair. In this meal we softly share, embrace the moment's tender care. Peppers red and onions sweet, harmony on a baking sheet. In this dish our spirits meet, together we find our special